Hey guys, welcome to Lipsticks. Today we are making salsa de jalapeño. We're going to start off by removing the stem off of all our jalapeños, and then we are going to wash them. And once our jalapeños are nice and washed, we're going to move them to a pot, and we're going to add less than half the pot of water. We don't want to cover these up in water, and we're going to move them to the stove. We're setting them on medium to high heat. In the meantime, I'm getting the garlic ready. I used 25 cloves. I know it's a lot, but it gives the salsa a really good taste, plus they're very good for you. So once the peppers are ready, we're going to move them to the blender. And just a little side note, make sure there's no water in the blender when you put the peppers in. I accidentally forgot, and then I had to drain the water out of the blender. So just make sure you take all the water out. There should be no water in the blender. And here we're just adding the garlic to the blender. We are also going to add oil. I know it's going to seem like a lot of oil, and it is, but let's face it, this is not my healthiest recipe. We're also going to add some salt. This is just up to your taste. I am very salty, so I did add a lot of salt. And yeah, just blend it until it's very smooth, and it almost looks like guac, but there is no guac in here. I know, surprise. And that's it, guys. This recipe is super simple, super easy. I personally love it. It's one of my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time.